Hello there. Allow me to share with you the Pitimini rose blooms against orange santan flowers just starting to show off under the summer sun. These beauties thrive with sweet music orchestrated by our lovebirds and parakeets, which are their neighbors. It's such a great feeling rising up in the early morning, not only to the chirps from these lovebirds and parakeets, but more so from the call of native birds like the yellow pusit, which go psst, 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 and the Maria capras, which are medium-sized birds colored brown but with big white bands on their breasts. All these are simple glimpses from our little cottage in Asia in the Pacific. Stay safe. Hasta mañana.